Hello everybody, and here is part 2 of our laundry machine project. The idea of Inventing School is not to graduate with a certificate so that you can go out and look for a job. No. Our vision is to graduate with a full company, with product line, real customers, and the exciting part, something that you build yourself. We believe knowledge should not be limited by background, income, or social class. Whether you come from a wealthy family or a struggle one, innovation belongs to you. What I believe is the best engineer who can solve the problems in your community or in your country, it is you. Because you live there, you have grown there, you have experience than any solution provider. So what we do? Empower you with the knowledge, the tools, and the know-how. My bigger vision is to eradicate poverty, not with grants, aid, or handouts like our politicians do, but with knowledge, skills, ownership. Because poverty is not just lack of money, it is lack of access to knowledge. And when you teach someone how to build, how to innovate, how to identify problems, exciting part, how to manufacture and sell, you don't just change their life, but you change a generation. So here is a demo of a fully packaged prototype, ready for mass production.
So we're gonna go ahead and scan the QR code and complete the payment online via the debit card. So enter the card information. Then once we enter the credit card information, we're gonna go ahead and pay. And once it processes that, the machine automatically starts.
Does it end there? No. We take it further into mass production. We teach them how to communicate to manufacturers, negotiate best rates, prepare the files for the product to hit the assembly line. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.